Are you using the magic number in your marketing on your signs? If you don't know what that is, please bear with me. A magic number is a number that not only allows someone to call or text you and obviously get the message or the call to you, but also a number that captures information and puts them into your CRM so you can trigger follow-ups right away without having to do anything. And several CRM providers like KB Core, for example, provide what's called a smart number. A smart number is a phone number that's assigned to you. You can set up the routing where it's going to ring. And when somebody calls that number or texts that number, not only does the call or the message go to you, but also the contact is captured in your CRM. You can trigger follow-up text messages. And in many cases, it'll even query social media and other places to find out more information about that contact. So even if they didn't give their their email address, you can still get a lot of information about them. Now, if you don't have a solution that has a magic number, there is a workaround, and that is something for the more techies, but it's a combination of Google Phone, Google Voice, and Zapier. So if you have a Gmail account or a Google account, you can get a free Google Voice number, which is something that I've always used in my business. When I was selling real estate, I would never give my personal cell phone number. I would use my Google Voice number as my cell phone number, and I still have that Google Voice number to this day. And you can set up your routing. When somebody calls, they can ring straight to your phone, or you can use the Google Voice app. You can make phone calls, you can receive and send text messages and so forth. However, because this is a Google number, and because Google plays well with tools such as Zapier and If This Then That, which is another tool similar to Zapier, it's free. You can use it to trigger things. So when somebody calls your number, for example, or leaves a message or sends a text message, then you can have it do certain things. So then you could send a text in reply. Then you could add them to your CRM. Then you can schedule a follow-up task for you on your calendar and so forth. So if you are so inclined, play around with this. Just Google If This Then That for that tool, and also go to Zapier.com. They have a free plan. So if you're just going to play around with it, setting up a couple of zaps, take a look at it. You need to have a smart number. You need to have a magic number in your marketing that allows you to not only get the call or get the message, but also trigger follow-up activities and have the information put straight into your address book, into your CRM, so you can move forward and follow up from there. Hope you found this helpful. My name is Thomas Hyman with Realty Partners.